The cost of living is increasing rapidly, touching nearly every aspect of our daily lives. From groceries to gas, utilities to rent, prices are climbing higher each month. This is a global trend, affecting people in cities and towns all over the world. Inflation is impacting essentials like groceries, housing, and utilities, making it harder to cover even basic needs. For many, wages are just not keeping pace with these rising costs, leading to tough choices and added stress. This creates a financial strain on individuals and families, forcing many to rethink their spending habits. It's honestly more important now than ever to take control of our finances. Start by tracking every expense for a month. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or budgeting app to record where your money goes. Once you see your spending patterns, look for areas to save. For example, review your monthly grocery bills. Could you switch to store brands, use coupons, or shop at discount stores? Or, if rent is a big expense, consider comparing housing options or negotiating with your landlord. These small steps empower us to stretch our budgets further and find real savings. We can make our money work harder for us by being intentional and proactive. This means we can still afford the things we need, even as prices rise. Plus, we can work towards a more secure financial future, one step at a time, starting today. Saving money is not just about accumulating wealth, it's about taking practical steps to secure your future. Start by setting up an automatic transfer to your savings account each payday. Even if it's a small amount, build an emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 months of living expenses to create a real safety net. These steps help you weather unexpected storms without stress. With financial stability, you can confidently pursue your passions, like learning a new skill or starting a creative project. Imagine being debt-free and investing in your dreams, step by step. Picture yourself achieving your financial goals by following these simple, consistent habits. Frugal living, like meal planning and using coupons, paves the way for these achievements. These habits give you the freedom to live life on your own terms, with less worry and more joy. By taking these actionable steps, you are no longer bound by financial constraints. You're building your path to freedom. Frugal living is often misunderstood. It's not about deprivation or living a restrictive lifestyle. Instead, it's about making conscious choices with your money, like setting spending limits before you shop. It means being mindful of your spending habits and tracking where every dollar goes. You learn to prioritize what truly matters to you, distinguishing between needs and wants. There are simple ways to track your spending, like using a notebook or setting up alerts in your banking app. Budgeting apps can help you set goals, monitor progress, and stay accountable. Or try the envelope method, dividing your cash into categories like groceries, entertainment, and savings. Experiment with different systems until you find one that fits your lifestyle. The key is to be aware of where your money is going at all times. For example, Sarah realized she was spending too much on takeout. By planning simple meals at home and setting a weekly food budget, she cut her dining expenses in half without feeling deprived. When you make mindful choices, you gain control over your finances and still enjoy what matters most. Taking control of your finances starts with mindful decisions every day. Before making a purchase, pause and ask yourself, do I truly need this, or is it just a want? Make a list before shopping and separate your needs from your wants. This simple habit helps you avoid impulse buys. If something isn't essential, try the 30-day rule. Put the item back, mark it on your calendar, and wait 30 days before buying. Often you'll find the urge to buy fades away, saving you money and reducing clutter. Celebrate these small victories, they add up over time. Start a DIY project like building a shelf or repurposing old furniture. Not only do you save money, but you also gain new skills. Plan your meals for the week. Cooking at home, like making a hearty soup or a homemade pizza, instead of dining out, can save you hundreds each month. Reuse household items. Turn glass jars into storage containers or use old t-shirts as cleaning rags. Reducing waste means spending less. Set aside your savings, even if it's just a few coins a day. Over time, these small amounts grow into something significant. Track your progress and celebrate each milestone, like sticking to your budget for a month or reaching a savings goal. Take pride in every step forward, no matter how small. Remember, financial freedom is a journey. With each smart choice, you're getting closer to your goals, so celebrate your wins along the way.